everyone, and welcome back to our series of the DIY. I am Dee, one of the activities coordinator for the Licking County Aging Program. As you can see, I'm not wearing my mask for the purpose of the hearing impaired, so they can read my lips. I am also standing 6 feet away from my employee. On today's series, I will be showing you how to make apple cider vinegar face cleanser. There are only 2 simple ingredients: 1 cup of apple cider vinegar and 1 cup of water. I got it measured out already, and all you're going to do is mix the water with the apple cider vinegar. Then you're going to stir it up a little bit. And then I also got an empty soap dispenser, and I'm going to go ahead and fill this up. We're not going to fill it up all the way because it will overflow. And then you want to shake it for a little bit. And then you will get some cotton swabs. And then you'll put this on here. And there you go. You can clean your face with it. Thank you for joining me today. Please stay tuned for our next DIY series on face wipes. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series of the DIY. I am Dee, one of the activities coordinator for the Licking County Aging Program. As you can see, I'm not wearing my mask for the hearing impaired so they can read my lips. And I'm also standing 6 feet away from my employee. On today's series, I'll be showing you how to make face wipes. There are only 2 simple ingredients: 1½ cup of water, and then 1 tablespoon of the face wash. And I got the cup of water already measured out. And then I'm going to do the face wash. And then we're going to mix this up. And it should be warm water, lukewarm. And then we're going to have a container with a lid. So I'm going to put it in here. And then I have 2 wash rags that I'm going to saturate. Now you can double your ingredients to make a bigger batch. And then you wring it out. And there you go, you got the body face wipes. And I want to thank you for joining me today. Please stay tuned for our next DIY. For more ideas on my DIYs, please go to Pinterest.